are up to door number 13. We are 13 days into Christmas. We're getting so close. Look at the pretty baubles on the 13th door. And Emma has come along to help me again today because she got thwarted yesterday because it was a trophy and Stephanie just had to build that and then run away with it. Oh, this is a pretty one. It's a wreath. All those new green foliage pieces are going to make the prettiest wreath ever. And it has a purple ring as well. So definitely Emma colours. This was perfect. Absolutely perfectly timed. Well done, Emma, for turning up for door number 13. So nice and simple. Actually, not that simple. We're not just whacking all the foliage on. We're actually building parts of it up. So the top and the bottom are going to have those little green parts on. So that's going to sit those ones a little bit higher, and that way they must all fit on a little bit better. Or it just looks a bit textured, a bit more three-dimensional. So pretty. So much better when I can put them on properly. All right, flowers on. We're alternating the little red flowers too. A couple more pieces of green, and then we're pretty much done. It's so simple, but so gorgeous. Actually, after we put that on, so that we're going to hang it from there, I've got a little star left over from the trophy yesterday. I think that'll look so pretty on it too. So gorgeous. All right, take it away to... Actually, Emma, can you bring that back? Because I just had a thought. If we hang this up the way we've normally been hanging it up with the ribbon, just straight through it like that, it's going to hang sideways. It's really going to bug me. So we're going to do a little special loopy thing. So if we make our loop first, and then we poke it through here, it's a bit easier when that's off, and then put that bit through the middle, pull it tight, then it should hang straight. It should hang front on. See, isn't that clever? Isn't that so good? I should have done that for some of the other ornaments. I might go back and rehang them. So perfect. It's ready now to go on the Christmas tree. Come on, Emma. Oh, she's dragging it off. All right. Okay, onto the Christmas tree. Over here next to the trophy. Oh, where's Stephanie? She's not hanging out next to her trophy anymore. Oh, the wreath looks gorgeous. Oh, all right. It's always over so quickly. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow for day number 14. I know I can wait till then. I know I can. I'll see you then. Bye.